Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today it's not car related, but it's something to make the car videos better or my vlogs or whatever I make better. And here I have my Moment case and my Moment wide lens. If you guys have an iPhone, you know that iPhone lenses are like super close to the object, or that like they're not wide at all. It doesn't have a wide angle. So I've been looking for lenses, and Moment lens have like a perfect review, and everyone loves their lenses. So I already bought one case. I bought it used like for 20 bucks. So, but I got a new one anyways too, in case the new one breaks or I drop it, whatever. I have an extra one. But here I have the lens, and let's open it real quick. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this a whole month. I ordered on February 18th, and it's March 19th. So it was on back order because it's for the A plus, and I guess they didn't have them. But here it is. First thing you get, paper with the price and basically a receipt, and it tells you what's in there. And I paid for this. I paid 130 bucks, I believe. All right. So here you have the case. Yes, it says iPhone 7 Plus, but iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 8, it's exactly the same thing. And I'm gonna make some comparison videos of the lenses. So this is the case, of course, and then here's the lens. All right, so here's the case. I mean the lens, and well, the iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus are not the same, but as size, it's the same shit. But the internals, of course, are different. Have way better camera and more specs, wireless charging, and a bunch of other stuff. But let's open the lens first. This is the most exciting things on here. All right. So first thing you get, it's a little like let's get started thingy. It's a little made out of cardboard, and here's the lens. It's super big, super cool. It's not super big, but it's pretty big. I have nothing to compare it with, but I guess like, it's the same size as an Apple Watch 42 millimeter. And it does have weight to it, like quite a lot actually. But it's so nice. It's so nice that I'm scared I'm gonna drop it and break it, because I usually break my phones. I mean, I've gone through 3 screen protectors already in the past like couple months. But I'll get you guys a closer view of it in a bit. And here's a little carrying case, and here's the glass protector for it. So it goes over it. Keep it nice and safe. All right, so here's the lens. Super clean, super shiny. And this is just like a microfiber little baggie. Put on top of the lens. So I'm not good at doing reviews, what do you call it? But so this is the first look of the brand new lens. And this is a V2 because there's a V1. And as you can see right there, V2 18 millimeter lens. So this is a brand new lens that they just came out with. And all right, so I'm gonna take a couple pictures or like videos of some stuff, and so you guys can see how wide and the difference between a stock iPhone 8 Plus lens and the with another one with the wide lens. But let me open the case real quick so you guys can take a look at it. All right, so here's the case. I really didn't look how durable the case are, but hopefully it doesn't break my phone when I drop it, which I'm not expecting the case to be that durable since it's just, for a lens, but it's like really sturdy though. It's like a rubberized case, and the back is just like plastic. All right, so let me put it in the phone and give you guys a you know, a different view of the normal iPhone camera and with wide lens. All right, so I'm gonna be standing here in my doorway in the garage. I'm gonna step on the same place when I do the next clip, but I'm just gonna show you how it looks without the. This is without the lens. Yes, my garage is dirty. It's mostly like leaves from the outside that it's windy outside, so it's coming here. But I do have a mess when I was working in the car. So now let me just go back and put the case on. All right, so I'm roughly in the same place that I was last clip. As you can see, it's so much wider now. It looks so much better. Like, I feel like everything just looks so much better with this with this lens. I don't even know what to take a picture of, but like, I'm so close to this. This is the knob. Yes, the door is freaking dirty because I work on my cars a lot. But let me take the lens out and show you how it looks. So let me just rotate this if I can. So you see the difference between having the lens on and then the lens off and on. Kind of hard to do without looking at the phone, but it's quite different. And now I can actually record inside my car because the Miata are tiny. If you guys didn't know Miatas or about cars anyways, these cars are tiny. And when I was inside, that was so much, like before I couldn't even record nothing because it was so close to everything. And now I can record in here. So I'm so excited for this lens. I would definitely recommend it. Yes, it's kind of pricey. It's $100 you pay the first time, and like $20 for the case. But if you find it used, if you have an older phone, like an iPhone 7 or earlier, you can get the V1. But definitely for the Plus, this is a pretty good lens. But I can notice that you can see more shakiness on the camera now that I have this lens on. And I'm getting a gimbal too, the gimbal for phones. So the videos will be way better with that too. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I know I'm not the best in doing reviews or unboxing videos, but I just want to show people how the lens look on an iPhone 8 Plus. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.